Emirates 4331, clear for landing, runway 10, winds 225 at 14 knots.
Clear for landing at runway 10. Emirates 4331.
Emirates 4331, welcome to Isran. Wicket left when able.
We'll take off runway 25 left, fly Logan for departure.
Couldn't take off on 25 left, looking forward to the Cincinnati. See it.
Canada 318, Gulf 3, do have to contact ground now.
Air Canada 318, welcome to Good Rockford, taxi via Gulf Foxtrot. Stay on the frequency, hold short up.
Gulf Ultra Foxtrot, Canada 318.
Two winds. 3502, clear the lane runway 290.
Land runway 290, winds acknowledged.
Harbor 561, subroute, face north.
If I can start food facing harbor.
Delta 2148 with you at gate 1, requesting IFR to Rockford.
21.8. Clear to Rockford by GPS track, climb initial 020 and then 050 after 4 minutes. Departure runway 29er. Departure on the frequency squawk 4416. King 45682, clear to land runway 29er, winds 280 at 6 knots.
Clear to land 29er, winds acknowledged, thank you.
Singapore 3322, requesting the letter vector change to runway 29.
King 43322, turn left 020.
And left 020.
Speedbird 2165, vacate left available.
Left and right will 2165.
Clear to take off runway 29er, 126.
Speedbird 2165, taxi to parking via Delta 1 Delta.
Taxi to parking via Delta 1 Delta. Speedbird 2165.
Just a question, did you forget about Sunan 2980?
No, I told you to fly 110.
10.
You're flying 070.
Qantas 28, 10 mile for runway 25 center.
Canada Sweet, clear landing runway 25 center. Winds calm.
Where's your colors? Clear to land runway 25 center for Qantas 28.
What's his name again?
Like Zachary or something.
Let me see what he's saying. I want to unmute. He did not say anything.
Singapore 5681.
Singapore
You're
5682,
doing
climb
something
to
wrong
Dawson.
now. We're intercepting.
Turn
your
right,
aircraft.
heading
You have to.
010.
If you don't land immediately, we're going to have to shoot you down.
He's talking about some.
Qantas 28 is gate 18 available.
Kansas Wait. Repeat gate, please.
Qantas 28 is gate 18 available.
Let me confirm you and negative. Gate 1 is full.
Singapore 5681.
Qantas 28, that is gate 18.
Contact us on.
Oh, my bad.
Right now.
18 is available.
A from Qantas 28, we'd like that.
Over ignore the fighter jet and probably.
Decline ignore traffic. Decline right now and it's Singapore.
I'm gonna go.
Air Baltic 568, you are cleared to land runway 10. Winds are at 025 at 3 knots.
Clear to land 10 Baltic 568.